this session we do a process audit to assess the requirements of ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 supplier management and material management. Supplier management includes all external providers, especially manufacturing and transport suppliers. During the process audit I will assess if the following key requirements were implemented before serial production started or new changes were implemented. Selection, release and qualifications of suppliers, communication of customer, statutory and regulatory requirements and changes. Supplier performance evaluation, product and service releases, incoming inspection, management material, qualification of employees, and last but not least the emergency strategy. Today I will audit Mary, the supply chain manager of Automotive Incorporated, to determine how they manage their suppliers.
Good morning, John. Can you please ask me what you would like to see?
Are only qualified suppliers used?
All our suppliers are certified to ISO 9001 and or IATF 16949. Here you can see a copy of our list of approved suppliers.
Are customer requirements taken into account in the supply chain?
All customer requirements including specifications, drawings, volumes, quality, legal etc. is communicated to the suppliers via our supplier quality engineers. The supplier quality also do on-site follow-up assessments with our suppliers and release the new PPAPs with our suppliers.
Have target agreements for supplier performance been agreed and implemented?
SCA established target agreements with all our suppliers and it is monitored monthly. See the attached example. Action plans are agreed with suppliers that do not achieve the targets.
Are all necessary releases available for the purchased products and services?
SQA has a list of approved PPAPs which include all the suppliers' capability and test results according to customer requirements. Supplier quality also ensures that all changes are communicated to the supplier to request and release the new PPAPs.
Is the agreed upon quality of purchased product and service ensured?
Let us take a walk to the receiving area and then our receiving department can show you how we receive and release the material. Here we are in the receiving area of the warehouse. Let us call the supervisor to answer your questions. Hello Granny Joe, this is John and he is going to ask you a few questions how you manage the incoming material.
Hello Granny Joe, can you please explain to me how to receive, identify, inspect and release the incoming material?
First we offload the boxes and compare the identification and quantity to the delivery note. Then we move the boxes to the waiting for inspection area where the quality inspector takes samples for inspection. Any more questions, John?
Are incoming goods delivered and stored appropriately?
Incoming material are stored according to their release status so that it cannot be damaged or mixed. Special storage conditions are defined and controlled for materials which could be influenced by temperature, humidity. Suspect and/or quarantined material had been segregated to prevent unauthorized access. Any more questions, John?
Thank you very much, Granny Joe. Are the personnel qualified for their respective tasks and are responsibilities defined for them?
Job descriptions describing the roles, responsibilities and qualifications are available for all employees, especially for the forklift drivers, quality inspectors and supplier auditors.
Where do you inspect your incoming material?
Ivan, the lab supervisor, can explain how we inspect and release the material.
John, you can follow me to the lab where we test the material.
Is the agreed upon quality of purchased product and service ensured?
The receiving inspector will bring the parts to the laboratory, and then we check it according the drawings and specifications. All tests are done in accordance with the AQL levels, and we use only calibrated measuring equipment. Here you can find all the evidence in the P5 files.
Thank you for your time. You have answered all my questions.
You are welcome.
We trust that you have enjoyed this short video on how to audit the supplier management and material management process of an organization. In the next video we will audit the production and their interrelated support processes.